tatay dyan. At sa mga magiging tatay pa lang, congratulations po and happy Father's Day. Special po itong video natin today kasi bukas po is Father's Day na. And ngayon pa lang po kami ni Baby James magbabalot ng gift namin para kay Daddy Dominic. So, simple lang po yung mga nabili naming regalo kasi si Dominic naman kasi guys, hindi siya mahilig sa mga materialis na bagay. Minsan nga may binigay pa nga ako ng gift sa kanya guys, like wallet, prelo, pero kita nyo naman, hindi niya ginagamit guys. Hindi talaga siya maarte. Walang kaarte-arte sa katawan. So, ayun, napag-isipan ko nga na yung regalo ko sa kanya this time is yung mga bagay na magagamit niya araw-araw. Lihan lang natin, ang importante, meron kami regalo ni James and binalot namin to ni James with love. Yun naman po yung importante. And hindi naman talaga kailangan na may regalo tayo, di ba? Ang importante, araw-araw ipapakita natin sa ating father na importante sila sa atin and na-appreciate natin sila. Kasi kung hindi naman dahil sa kanila guys, wala naman tayo dito sa mundong to. Nabalot ko na nga pala to kahapon, pero ngayon ko lang naisipang i-video. So ito, may isa na akong nabalot. Hindi ko papakita sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga i-gift namin kasi para surprise na din. Samahan nyo na lang si Dominic na magbukas nito, okay? And wala dito si Dominic ngayon, day off niya. Lumabas siya guys kasama yung kanyang best friend. Ito na sa loob yung dalawang gift. Pinagsama ko na siya. Kung nagpapakita sa inyo para samahan nyo na lang si Dominic na mag-open ito, okay? Talagang nasa gitna kasi talaga tong batang ito. Talaga kay mami. Balot si mami. Wala ka lang higad ha. James? Ano si mami magbalot? James, tira agad sa tunga, be. Ako yan? Ano yan si mami magbalot, be? Talagang nasa gitna talaga ikaw. Be, hindi, be, James, can you say Happy Father's Day, Dad? You're the best daddy ever. I love you. Thank you for joining Mama sa pagbalot ng gift natin kay Daddy. Paano na yan mag-surprise kay gin-reveal mo naman ang gift natin, oy? Ha? Gin-reveal mo naman na. Panggap na lang kayo guys na hindi nyo pa nakita, okay? James, kiss. James, say bye-bye. Ito na yung regalo namin yung Baby James. Ayan, 3 box siya, guys. Itong gift wrap pala na ito, natira pa to nung last Christmas. Kaya, maging resourceful na lang tayo. Ginamit ko na lang siya. Meron tayo ditong cake toppers. So, it says, Happy Father's Day. For now, dito muna natin itatago sa box yung ating gift para hindi mapansin ni Daddy. Lagay lang natin dito. Hi, guys! Good morning! Magluluto kami ngayon guys ng breakfast kasi Father's Day ngayon. Ayan, paglulutuan natin ng breakfast si Daddy Afam. James, come here. You wanna join Mommy? So, yung lulutuin namin ngayon para sa breakfast namin is gagawa kami ng pancake. Tapos, magluluto kami ng fried eggs. And James, wanna say hi? Dito pala yung Baby James natin. Hi guys! Say hi to my camera. Hi, good morning! So, unahin natin lutuin guys is yung ating pancake. Pag-isahin na lang natin. Tapos dito naman sa kabilang pan, nuluto tayo ng itlog. Tantakuya. Anim na itlog guys. Garlic salt. So, garlic powder na siya. Tapos may asin na din. Tapos lagyan natin ng paminta. Yan, nasira yung pancake. Sobrang laki naman kasi. Pero okay lang yan guys. Kami lang naman kakain. Tapos ito naman yung itlog natin. Scrambled egg. So 3 orange guys. Isa kay Dominic, isa sa akin, tapos isa din kay James. Kasi si James, isang orange, ubos lang talaga yan sa kanya. Hi guys! Ready na ang pagkain namin at surprise namin kay Daddy. So ayan yung 3 gift na binalot namin kahapon. Tapos meron tayong pa-card dyan, Happy Father's Day. Tapos ito lang yung muffin cake namin guys. Ayan, so binili ko tong cake toppers or muffin toppers na siya. Tapos nilagyan na lang natin ng raspberries. Ayan. Simple lang guys. Tapos dekorasyonan lang ng konti-konti. Tapos ito yung plate ni Daddy. So meron siyang ground turkey, And then, meron din siyang eggs, scrambled eggs dito, tsaka yung pancake na napalpak, pero okay lang. And then, ito naman yung plate ni Baby James. Meron siya ditong chicken, pancake, tapos pansit. Tapos, ito naman yung sa akin. Tapos, itong orange na to kay Baby James. Tapos, ito naman sa akin. Ayan. So, ayan na yung setup natin, guys, for Daddy. And, yung bata natin. Nanonood kasi siya ng TV. Hi, James! Hi! Happy Father's Day!
Thank you! Thanks, James!
James,
You're eating!
what'd you say kay Daddy B?
What'd you say? Oh.
He's so hungry. I was like waiting. Like, wait lang, B.
He's like, I need food. Aw,
Daddy, that's our
thank
surprise
you.
for you, Dad.
First is those raspberries?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So James, I want to eat your raspberries.
James' favorite is cheesecake, and I didn't get from my work last night.
Aw, babe. Oh, that's
Yeah.
right.
Happy Father's Day again.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you. You can open your gifts now.
Did you make this cake?
Yeah.
We
Just kidding. We just
got it from a gas station last night. So we gotta stop by a gas station. Thank you guys. Happy Father's Day, Dad. You're the best. Where'd you get this? Did you Amazon?
I know. My work.
From your work? Oh, like they were passing out to the fathers? Oh, okay. When it comes to being a great dad, no one does it better than you. Oh. James, do you agree?
Yes, there.
And like I bought those noodles for you, so I guess that counts. Thank you, babe. I appreciate that.
Love you.
Love you.
Keep all
Very
the
nice.
cards.
I do. Oh, you alright,
Okay,
buddy?
Kuya?
Did you just cough that out? It's because you're eating too fast.
You relax out. Me and Daddy didn't start
You
yet.
have 3 gifts?
Yeah.
Aw, thank you.
Get a pancake. Look.
Look, James, I gotta open.
Pancake.
James, say open.
James, open, Daddy. Open.
Look. New socks.
New socks for Dominic.
Much needed.
Because Dominic,
Why?
guys,
What's wrong with my socks, baby? You trying to say something?
Dominic, guys, don't buy his personal stuff unless he needed to. So I'll buy it for him.
Thank you.
That one is so nice. This is like for sport.
Yeah.
It's so soft too.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Thank you. These are
Okay.
great.
So I can use half of it.
Yeah, that's
Just
what
for
this is
men.
really for. Yes. Oh, thank you.
Oh, welcome.
I got 6 of them, huh?
Dominic likes white than black, right?
I
All of your
actually
socks.
prefer black socks.
You do?
I did. Most of my shoes
You
are
never
dark.
had black.
I know. I never had them. But you're right. I never buy my own stuff, so I just wear the white socks that I always.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I like white socks
Because
too.
all my socks are black and Dominic all socks is white.
Yeah, no. But that's just what I buy. I like black socks better.
You do?
I do. Yeah, but it's okay.
So now I know.
All right. Number 2. Drum roll. Is this our box for our spray bottles? This looks familiar.
Yeah, Dominic is lame.
Oh.
I was like mad that
I went to the grocery store last night and I bought myself a water bottle. I didn't know. Oh, this is nice. Thank you. Well, I like this one. This is going to be good for my my workout bottle because I'm going to start working out again.
Yeah.
If I can get my knees to work again. Yeah, this is great because I need one of these. What happened to mine originally?
I ruined it.
No, our dishwasher like warped ours, and so I couldn't use it anymore. But this is great. So I'll use this for workout. And is this coffee?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, you don't like the one I have? The one I bought was like a water cup.
Okay.
So don't worry. Yeah, this is great.
For
Yeah, this is like a nice brand new thermos. So thank you. And it's gonna fit in my cup holder for
Yeah,
James's
because like I
stroller.
researched, it should be like fit on the car.
Yes,
And also
the
have
stroller.
handle. Yeah,
Yeah.
so-
Because I have a coffee cup right now I like, but it does not fit in any cup holders, which is super inefficient. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm excited to try it out. Yes, James. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that's so nice. Let's see in there. Oh, it's fancy. I don't even know how that works. I'll take it. Great. I needed both of these, so thank you. This is the box for our lights. Yeah.
I'm hoping that it does fit.
New boxers. Much needed as well. A lot of mine have holes in the bottom. Thank you. Are these like fitness kind or? These are great. Thank you.
And good?
Yes. Thank you.
I think it's the same brand, the one that you use.
Yes.
Yeah. I checked one of those.
Thank you. These are great.
James! Say Happy Father's Day, Dad! I'll take you guys picture together.
Okay.
James, you didn't eat your pancake? That's your favorite. Maybe I'll put maple syrup on it.
Okay. Nice.
But he finished his pancit, guys. Look at that. He's very Filipino kid.
We got him the pancit only because he wasn't eating his dinner the last 2 nights.
Yeah,
so
he doesn't eat
we
food.
need to get him something. So I got this from the mall. He really loves the noodles.
Hey guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you. Happy Father's Day again to all the fathers out there. And to our daddy. We love you, Dad.
We love you. I thank you. I love you guys very much. I appreciate it. Thank you, James. I know it was all your idea.
Thanks, all your idea, James, right?
High five. Ooh. You want up? You gotta eat.
Okay, guys, thank you. We're going to eat our breakfast.
All right.
Bye-bye.